Stefan, is this your lawnmower? Whose lawnmower is this? Yeah. Stefan, is this your lawnmower, buddy? Cutting the grass in Riverton? Stefan, whose lawnmower is that? That's your lawnmower? Are you cutting the grass? Yeah. Right there? Bye-bye. See you later, buddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, buddy. Are you cutting the grass? Cutting the grass in Riverton, buddy. Stefan? Stefan? That's the lawnmower. Stefan? Stefan, are we going to take this home? Do you want to take this home?